Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing problem associated to radicals, which is here. So the problem says there is a radical 12 multiplied with another radical inside, which is variable in it, equals 6a. And they want us to find value of k in terms of a. So basically you're not going to find a value that is a constant. And lucky you, none of your choices are constant. But I'm just telling you this, sometimes they trick you with a constant value on it too. So just to be on a safe track, all of your whatever your answer is has to be in a constant variable. So let's start. You need to find value of k, but that has to be expressed in terms of a. So what do we do now? So obviously your k is buried in here. It is buried inside the radical multiplied with 12. Somehow I need to get that out before I'm able to find anything. So let's start. Since you notice this whole thing is inside radical, so what we're going to do now, if a radical, so let's give you a little bit of briefing. If I have radical 2, but I want that 2 to be out of radical, I could square it. Same approach, I'm going to square this, but then this is the equation. If I only square one side, then this balance will become this, which is not balanced. You want this to be properly balanced. No matter what you do on this side you have to do the same thing. That's how they will balance each other out. So if you square this, you square this part as well. So this square will take care of that radical, so you will have 12 times radical k. Okay, so you take that out. And then 6 is squared, which is 36, and a is also squared, which is a square. I'm looking for a k by itself, but I definitely don't want this 12 here. So what do I do is 12 divide 12 on both sides. That will cancel. So I have radical k on this side. There are 1 12 that goes into 12. There are 3 12 that goes into 36. 3a square over 1, which is basically 3a square. Okay, so radical k, 3a square. So almost there. One more time. I don't want that radical associated to k, so what do I do now is square it one more time, and that square, just like how it did here, it will take care of that radical. Cross that radical out with this square, so you'll only have k left, and then here you have 3 square a square square. So let's see what I did here. Let's break it down. So the power of exponent and base states if you have a base, let's say a times b with a merged power of m, you can actually expand it with individual power am and bm, and that is exactly what I did here. So I do need to square for 3 individually, and also need to multiply it out and then square that a square individually. So k, that is 9, and a, so a 2 times 2 power, and then power, you multiply that power out, so a to the power 4, so 9a4. That is my answer. So 9a4, which is right here. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any question or if you have a special request for the problem to be solved, leave me a comment below.